Hello friends, Claire Daly, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Melbourne, Australia. I was just going to put away my latest order and I thought, maybe I might show everybody what's in it because it's got some new products from the online exclusives coming next month. So let's have a look at those, shall we? Hope you're all well. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Melbourne and yeah, looking forward to a lazy day at home. I'm going to put this order away and then I'm going to watch the footy with the hubby and might go for a walk and don't know. So let's see what the day brings. Hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are, and let's have a little looky at what's in the box, shall we? Okay, I'll just move over to my screen. Just pop that out the way. Okay, so this is just some things I got in the online exclusives order. So being a demonstrator, we get to pre-order everything a month early, which is fabulous, and at least a month early. And so I got some things to make some samples, and my idea was to look at some things I could start some Christmas cards with, and so that's where I was coming from with this order. Now, first thing I'll show you is the stamp set. We've got a new greeting stamp set, which I really like. It's called Greetings of the Season. So it's got some that are already made up, like it's the most wonderful time of the year. May your holiday season be filled with cheerful celebration. But I really like these bits and pieces here. You can put Merry Christmas, you can put Happy Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, season's greetings, and then they've got things like to you and yours, or wishing you, so you could say wishing you a happy new year, or wishing you a Merry Christmas, wishing, season's greeting to you and yours. Lots of different combinations, so I really like how they've done that. I always really like sentiment sets where they use different fonts, and these ones are really modern. I think they're really lovely fonts, so I'm really looking forward to using that on my Christmas cards. And a standalone really great Christmas greetings stamp set is a must, I think, so that's a good one. Now, I've gone a bit rogue this time and I haven't actually bought the stamp sets. I just saw such, in fact I'll leave that one till later because, oh no, I'll get that out now. I just saw a bit of inspiration in the dies, so I thought, let's see what I can do with just the dies. And so this one here is called Frosted Forest Dies, and lots of different bits and pieces in here. I particularly loved this one here, and I also loved the layered Christmas tree one. So I thought I might be able to do some things just with those. We'll see. If not, I might buy the stamp set later. But yeah, to start with, I'm just going to go with the dies. So that's those ones, Frosted Forest. And that actually comes with one of those masks that you can colour in different ways too. But I want to show some different ways to use dies, and I think this will be a perfect way to demonstrate that. So looking forward to having a play with those. Frosted Forest. The other one I got here is called Golden Greenery Dies. Now the reason I got this one is purely to cut out images in the DSP. I didn't particularly like the, so I really like these standalone ones that you can just cut out and use as foliage, but I didn't particularly like the stamp set, but these ones here actually cut out images in the DSP anyway, so I thought I'll get the dies and we'll see what we can do with those. And again, I might end up buying the stamp set later, we will see. So let's, oh, and these ones are little berries, new embellishments. So we've got in clear and in, looks, it's almost cherry cobbler, it's very deep red, and they will look great with lots of these, I think. So I got a couple of packets of those because I can see myself using lots of those. So let's stay everything nice and tidy, keep that there. So they are called Cherry Cobbler and Pearl Adhesive Blackberries. So they're lovely. Now this is the Season of Green and Gold Designer Series paper. This looks lovely. So it's a specialty paper, and it's got gold foiling through it. I'm not sure if you can see, if I move that around a little bit, you'll be able to see the gold foiling a little. It's really pretty. So there's 12 sheets in each pack, 2 of 6 different designs. So this is the front of this design, and then that's the back. Like just basic patterns, and then we've got this beautiful greenery. That's so pretty. When you've got a really busy DSP like this, you don't need much, which is why I thought, you know, I could just add a bit of the die and a sentiment, and that would be really great. My little kitties come to, if you see a paw up the top, my little kitties come to say hello, the top there. No, he's managed to keep his tail and his paws out of there. Okay, here's the second one. So this is the one I was saying that the dies cut out. So you could cut those out and you could use that in a wreath, which is what I'm intending to do. I'm pretty sure they cut out this one. Yep, they do. So that's really pretty. And then you've got these ones that cut out this DSP, this one, and then you've got this one that cuts out this pattern. So as you can see, you can get lots of use out of that. It's very pretty. Okay, so we'll pop those back. Yeah, so that's really lovely. And then again, it's got the gold foiling, and then on the back of that one, we've got the, again, the simple pattern. This one is just a gold polka dot, which is really good as a contrast pattern. And on the back of that one, we've got a floral pattern without any gold foiling. We've got the bells. These can get cut out again by the dies. And so on the back of that one, I love this pattern. Gorgeous checked pattern there. And then our last one is this gold, no, a second last one actually, is our gold leaf pattern. And then on the back, we've got that gold, it's, sorry, not gold, we've got the green, and it's mossy, I'm pretty sure. Let me have a look at the back, at the colours. The colours are garden green, mossy meadow, old olive, pecan pie, very vanilla, and gold. So we've got 3 greens in here. This looks like old olive and mossy meadow to me, which is lovely. Again, a really good contrast to some of those papers, some of those patterns I showed you earlier. Look at those together. Don't they look beautiful? So yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with those. I think these are gorgeous papers. And then this one here, we've got the star pattern, the gold star pattern on one side, and then on the back there again we've got a another floral pattern that's flat and doesn't have any of the gold foiling. So they are really pretty papers. Really, I really like traditional greens and reds and golds and stuff at Christmas, so I was really excited when I saw those come out. So let's pop these in. And then the next one we've got is this gorgeous, I'll just show you this first. This one is just, I got some gold foil because that will be really great to be using with this. Just needed a top up of those. This one here is called the Graceful Greenery Vellum. So this is very pretty, and we get, how many do we get? So there's 3 different designs, and you get 2 12 by 12 sheets of each design. So this one's got the beautiful greenery on it. I love vellum, it's so pretty. As you could see, or you can sort of see it through there. This is that one. Again, you could cut these out with the die. The die fits this one. You could cut that out and you could make a wreath pattern on that, which is really lovely. Again, we've got another vellum here, which is sort of like that green one, that had that sort of like sponged pattern on it, but it's actually got a bit of white sponged on it. So that's sort of really unusual, but it's really pretty at the same time. And then we've got this one here with the vellum patterns as well. So they're really lovely. That's called Graceful Greenery. And then this one here isn't actually, so that's the Christmas bits and pieces that I got. This one here was actually something I earned from Stampin' Up for meeting a sales challenge in April, and they only gave it to those people. It's not available to buy. They didn't make any more. They waited to see how many earned it, and then they made that. So it's a very exclusive paper, but who knows, I might pop some in with some customer gifts this month. So make sure you get your order in with the extra 10% off the bundles this month. And I'll just show you that because it's really pretty. Now you might be thinking, oh, I've seen that pattern before. It's that blue Countryside Inn pattern that we had, but they've done it in these beautiful, now what colours have we got here? We have got Petal Pink, Pretty in Pink, and Melon Mambo. So it's really pretty. That one, we've got these cute little birdies. And then we've got these cute little bunnies. And then this one here, we've got the fox. And then we've got the greenery one. And this last one is my favourite. That one's the greenery. And then this one, last one's my favourite. Isn't that so pretty? I just love that. I love how those colours work together. That's gorgeous. And that's the striped one on the back. So as I said, I'm going to be popping some samples of that in with, I won't be able to pop them in with all of the, but I'm going to pop in with a few. So do get your orders in for the special, because you want to save the extra 10% off the bundles for a start. It's a really good opportunity to get some of those bundles that you love in the annual catalogue. Now the last thing I want to show you is I got the travel, the Scenic Route Travel Journal Kit, because I love travel scrapbooking. It's one of my favourite types of scrapbooking, and I thought, well, that looks really cool, so I'm going to get, that was one of the kits that was bought out this month in June, so let's have a look. So with all of the kits you get the instructions, and you get in this one lots of ideas for different pages you can do, which is great. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? All the different different ideas. Okay, so let's have a look. So you get this journal, which looks like it's the oh yeah, that's cool. So you'll be able to add in additional pages yourself as well. That's very cool. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Anybody got an E? Needs an E? The letter E. Brought to you by the letter E. Okay, stop being silly, Claire. Concentrate. So then these are the pages that you get, that are fold-out pages. So you can pop those. They go into the album just by clicking, just by popping through here. And then they can be opened right up. I think that's the right way. It might actually be the other way. Might actually be. Anyway, I'll pay much more attention to it when I look at the instructions. I think that's probably more like it. Yes, it is. And then they close up. So you've got these different pages. But what you can do is you can actually make some of these up yourself and add extra ones. So you get 2 of the blue ones and 2 of the wild wheat ones. And then you get lots of different pieces to use with these. So here's some, these ones are some labels, more labels. Oh, I really love this kit. This is gorgeous. So if you're into scrapbooking, this is fabulous. That one. And then there's those labels. And then you get stickers. Lots of different, really good cardstock weight stickers to use as embellishments. So all of those. And what's here? More little bits you can use. I love using words on my pages. Don't forget, enjoy the view, the world's beautiful place. Best ever, seriously, today's highlights. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm not quite sure which destination to use it on, but I might just use it on a, yeah, just, yeah, I'm definitely going to make this up. This is beautiful. Hello, best day ever, my travel journal. And then more little bits and pieces here. Oh, then more. This must be in a different language, is it? Yeah, that's in a different language. And lots of strips, sort of like washi tape type strips. And then we get this alphabet, which is fabulous. So alphabet and numbers. So that's, oh, and more alphabet and numbers. Wow, this is a really, really great kit. I'm so impressed. So this is the travel journal kit, and it's available right now actually. It's not even a pre-order. So if you want to grab your hands on that, make sure you do, because it is fabulous. So that's one of the kits in the kits collection for this month. So that's what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to, before I put it all away, let's go back to me. I wanted to show you everything that was in this week's brown box, big brown box. So I will get to work on playing with some of those. So make sure you subscribe to my newsletter so you see things that I make. You'll get more inspiration through the newsletter. I send you ideas. Sometimes I send tutorials, and yeah, you'll just get lots more inspiration from me if you subscribe to my newsletter. Excuse the junk in the background. That's a bit embarrassing, really. Let's bring that over here a little bit more. So I've been having a bit of a clean up, and you can see everything in the background. Yeah, so look forward to inspiring you some more. And if you like today's video, make sure you pop on over to, and click that little subscribe button so that you can see when I have more videos coming out. Thanks for watching, and I will chat to you again soon. Bye.